In this video, I'll be showing you how to solve background app restart problem on Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, when apps constantly close and restart the moment you switch away from them, it means Android's internal memory engine is aggressively killing background processes to free up system headroom. And you can fix this background app restart problem in under 60 seconds. So what you want to do firstly is remove battery optimization from the app. So what we want to do is go over to our settings, application, scroll down towards apps, and then go ahead and click on it. And then we want to go ahead and see all apps. Then tap the specific application that keeps restarting. It could be a browser, a game, anything like that. Then select app or battery usage. So once you go over and find that, what you're going to see is a few different things, but you want to change the app battery usage or battery setting from optimized to unrestricted. So we can go to that, and then you want to change it from optimized to unrestricted, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.